male category. Okay, for the male. Our 10th placer, Mr. Andre Valdez. Andre Valdez. Followed by our 9th placer, Nino Rico Emencita. Nino Rico Emencita, yes! Anak dyan ang masakaog ka ng award mo dagan, Jud. 8th placer, Team Castro. Team Castro.
Yes. Approaching na last runner.
Followed by our 7th placer, Jevi Limbaro. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our last runner.
Last runner incoming.
Yeah!
Goal na kayo, guys.
Let's go! Finish
Yes!
strong!
Diana, wala na mo yung ice cream.
Murot na pati taho!
Yes! Celebrate, guys! Celebrate! Yes! Yes! Dito, padung sa Julia. Ay, layo. Sorry. Go! Last runner! Congratulations!
Yes!
Bakbagis na, guys! Bakbagis!
And for our 6th placer, Mr. Jomar Cardenas. Jomar Cardenas. Followed by our 5th placer, Mr. Ray Mahinay. Ano ni Mahinay nga paspas hudagan. Followed by Aga Mula. Happy ka maaga mulak, dear. Happy ko na tayo artista kawan nun. And then our 3rd placer, Silver Ugat. Yeah. 2nd placer, Ayan Panyamogan. Sa Ayan, yes. And then our 1st placer, Eduardo Delmida. Eduardo, ayaw pugi.
Eduardo, cash out na naman! Paldo!
Atong pagpaka na itong 10K for the male category. Grabe, loud and nalamig pa yan.
Cash out!
Wow. Thank you very much. And now down to our female category. 10th placer, Maria Christine Lumbab. Maria Christine Lumbab. Yes, followed by LV Sassi.
Team Axpro, LV, Sassy.
LV Sassi. And then, 8th placer, Mary Jane Dunca. Mary Jane Dunca, dali ma'am. And then followed by Miss Chella Babe, or Bade, Chella Bade, if I pronounce it right. And then our 6th placer, Rachel Bermejo. Yeah. And then our 5th placer, Charming Karen Nalangan. Mora ni Nalangan nga nadali. Og human. Fourth placer, Jaika Mona Quijada. Yes. Third placer, Maria Christine Podoli. Wow! Ay! Hala, oy, sisiw kayo ang pagka-third place. Oy! Second placer, Shanette Sadora. Shanette! Yes, and our winner is Miss Chelsea female. Yes, congratulations to all of our winners. Wow. Grabe, oy. Tumapil ako ng Team Gio ba? Kaya sa tanang award na agad sila. Kaya magpa-train, ano nila ha? Madawat mo beginners. Kaway-kaway ko no eh. Ngiting tagumpay, ngiting paldo. Cha-ching!
Cash out.
And okay, before we get to announce our 21-kilometer winners, maghatag sa tasatong raffle. Okay, so they had their raffle entries done via Facebook. Wala sila yung mga mechanics dito ang like, share sila sa atuang Devotion Free Diving. Ano itong sponsor? Aning atuang raffle. Congratulations to Mr. Lexon Tabel, Anika Austral, and Georgie Lamanilao. To award, we have a representative from the Dev Dive.